Welcome to our tutorial on how to start end-to-end encrypted chat on Instagram. With privacy and security being a top priority for many users, Instagram has introduced a feature that allows you to have private conversations that are completely secure. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram application on your Android device. Once you're in, tap the messenger icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your direct messages. Next, open the chat you want to enable end-to-end encryption for. Tap on the contact's name at the top of the chat window. This will open up a menu with different options. Now, tap on Privacy and Safety from the menu. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage your chat settings. In the Privacy and Safety settings, you will see an option that says Use End-to-End Encryption. Tap on this option to enable the feature for this specific chat. And that's it. Your chat is now protected with end-to-end encryption, ensuring that only you and the person you're chatting with can read the messages. Remember, end-to-end encryption is only available for one-on-one chats and not for group chats. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials on how to make the most out of your Instagram experience. Happy chatting!